Hello friends, today we will create this walk animation. So let's start. First we will open Cascadeur, then go to home icon, choose any character. We will choose Cassie. Here we will add a keyframe at 0, move character to backward, and then go to frame 100, keyframe. We will press F for this or press this button, then move character here. If we need a walk cycle, then we will care about this timing and spacing. Like now if we move character there, it's less spacing but a lot of timing. So it will create a walk cycle. We will select these two frames and press in betweening. Now press physics assistant, go to scene setting and go to in betweening, change into walk. Now again press in betweening. Now it's changed, and now we can see change that frames. We will set 120. Press enter and move this frame on 120, and again we will press all animation and set it in betweening. So now you can see we set fulcrum motion cleaning, and now set it to snap physics, yes, and remove physics. Now we can see there we can adjust more, but it's okay. Now we will export this file as GLTF. Click on animation, export. We will set it to desktop, rename it walk, then go to Blender, delete all meshes or objects, import GLTF, go to desktop and select this file. Now we can see, so select these and hide. If we press spacebar, so we select 100 frames there, then add plane for floor, scale it, go to edit mode, select these edges, extrude to z-axis. Now go to shading mode. First we will delete this file, make it dark and decrease roughness. Now it's fine. Then select background, change color, we make it black, it's fine. Then go to render mode. We need some lights, but I have a HDRI. If you need HDRI, then go to polygon and search there HDRI free. You can download free. We will add go to world and this yellow button, environment texture, and now open. I have their HDRI. So now you can see the lights are good, but I want it to move from background. So I go to render, go to film and transparent. Now I need a camera. Press Shift A, go to camera. So I will press Alt Control and 0. So press N, go to view mode and camera to view. Now I can zoom from camera. Now if I play this animation again, now it's fine. Now go to, I will render it at TV. You can change its cycle, but ray tracing is okay. Set it PNG, and output setting I will set it at their new folder. Now we'll go to render and render animation. It'll take some time. Now our animation is completed. So cut this window and go to this editor type. Select video sequencer. Change it to sequencer and preview. Now go to our file. Select all these files and move in this window. In this output, we will change PNG to MPEG, FMPEG, and then go to encoding and Matroska change to MPEG 4 and go again render and render animation. Now it's completed. So if we go in this same window, we can watch there our animation. For more videos, please follow our channel and like and subscribe.